Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Lucas.
Hi.
That's Adriana and Nevaeh. And this is Christina's baby, Bren. Say hi, Bren. Madison, say hi. God, you're miserable this morning. Say hi. Come on, please. Why are you being so mean? I'm going to put this on the computer so Mommy's friend Lucas can say hi to you and see you guys. Say hi. Just a friend. I'll show you his picture after. Say hi, Lucas.
Hi, Lucas.
Say hi.
Hi, Lucas. Look at hopping on one foot. Can I see? Look at I'm hopping on one foot. You want to see? Hey. Mommy.
Sing the Beeman song. Sing it really loud, Maddie.